The rumored benchmarks for the next iPhone 15 Pro indicate a big increase in performance. The newly leaked benchmark results from Naveen Tekwala provided further insight into the iPhone 15 Pro's real performance. Naveen Tekwala claims to have benchmarking numbers for the iPhone 15 Pro with a 17 Bionics. The claimed scores are surprisingly remarkable, outperforming those of the iPhone 14 Pro by a significant margin. Although the statistics differ from a previous iPhone 15 Pro benchmark leak, the iPhone 15 Pro obtained a single-core score of 3,269 and a multi-core score of 7,666. According to the specifications, the chip would have a maximum clock speed of 3.7 GHz and 6 CPU cores. The score sheet looks to be from a Geekbench test, however the Mavian does not mention the benchmarking program used. It is most likely Geekbench 6 based on the comparison to the prior leak. According to the prior leak, the iPhone 15 Pro achieved Geekbench 5 scores of 2,317 for single-core and 6,750 on multi-core, but in Geekbench 6 it achieved a single-core score of 3,019 and a multi-core score of 7,860. These current results indicate a minor increase in single-core performance but a little decrease in multi-core performance. For comparison, the iPhone 14 Pro secures a Geekbench 6 score of 2,557 for single-core and 6,777 for multi-core, or 1,891 and 5,469 correspondingly using Geekbench 5. Whatever angle you use, these results point to a significant improvement for the iPhone 15 Pro. Apple has not officially revealed any details about the 17 Bionic chipset, but rumors provide insight into the source of this added prowess. The chip is expected to be the first and currently the only mobile chip fashioned through a 3nm process, which is significantly taller than the 16 Bionic and 5nm chips found in top Android phones. This process is expected to improve chip efficiency, with producer TSMC claiming that the 3mm process may increase efficiency by around 35%. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.